Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, here we'll be working on a Ford Edge guys. So we'll show you guys how to remove and how to replace side view mirror. Now we guys have more than 200 videos on a Ford Edge, so please guys subscribe to the channel. Our goal guys is to save you as much money as we can. If you need anything specific, drop a comment below. We'll try our best to make a video for your specific problem. So now, all the tools and parts that we use guys will be listed in the description of the video below. We will demonstrate how to remove the left side view mirror on the driver's side, but the passenger side, practically the procedure will be the same. Most vehicles guys, you have to remove the door panel, okay, in order to get to the mirror, okay. However, on this one you don't need to. Why? Because the only thing that we need to remove now, okay, is this cover guys, right here. Okay, and this cover, we have a plastic panel removal tool. Grab it, okay, and we need to pull it. It has two clips. Okay, one clip here, one clip there. And these clips guys, okay, that black car, everything's so black on it. Okay, goes right here and the one down there. Now, this is the wire guys. Okay, we need to pull it out. Okay, let me show you now. This, okay, I need to explain you a little bit better. This tooth guys, right here, press it down and pull it out. It will be on the bottom side. Now, I won't be able to pull it all the way out to show you. 11mm socket. Now we need to remove these two nuts first. And now we have one hidden nut towards the other side. Okay. Now one person guys needs to hold the mirror on the outside because it will drop. Now let me explain what needs to be done. You need to get the mirror guys, okay, and you need to go down and then come up and pull it out. Why? Because right here there is one tooth, okay, this tooth, okay, goes in right here. So you can see guys, altogether it took us less than 2 minutes to remove guys the side view mirror on this Ford Edge guys. Not very complicated procedure at all. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to some of you. Please hit that subscribe button for more videos and see you guys next time.